Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got some seriously exciting leaks about what could be Sony's next big game changer, the Sony A7V. If you're into hybrid cameras that crush both photography and video, you want to stick around till the end. Release timeline trusted insiders are pointing to an official Sony A7V announcement happening around October or November 2025, with shipping expected to kick off early 2026. Where does it fit in the Sony lineup? The A7V slots right between the super popular A7 IV and the high-end A7RV or flagship A1. It's built for the hybrid creators out there, whether you're shooting epic stills or silky smooth video. This thing is shaping up to deliver the best of both worlds. Key leak spec: sensor and image quality. Rumored to pack a 44MP full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, a big step up from the A7I's 33MP. Expect crisp, detailed images thanks to a slim low-pass filter. Processor and autofocus powered by the all-new Bion's XR2 processor, teamed up with a dedicated AI coprocessor. Expect next-gen real-time tracking for faces, animals, eyes, even objects. Enhanced auto-framing and subject tracking could seriously level up your shooting experience. Burst shooting: a rumored 20 frames per second burst mode, doubling what the A7 IV could do. And here's the wild part. Some leaks mention an insane 120 frames per second E/AF mode. Yep, you heard that right. Video power headline feature. 4K at 120 frames per second, possibly uncropped. But honestly, high-quality uncropped 4K/120p is more practical for most creators. Expect a minor crop at 4K/60p, much like the A7RV. Screen and viewfinder fully articulating touchscreen, perfect for vloggers and solo creators. Gorgeous 9.44 EVF with 0.9x magnification for pro-level monitoring. Design and build: rugged, weather-sealed body for shooting in tough conditions. Improved grip and ergonomics for those long days on set. Dual card slots. CF Express Type A plus SD UHS2. Because speed matters. Who's this camera for? Hybrid creators who want top-tier stills and cinema-level video. Action shooters who need 20-plus FPS burst and reliable autofocus. YouTubers, filmmakers, and travel creators looking for an all-in-one powerhouse. And of course, A7 IV users itching for an upgrade: higher resolution, faster autofocus, and smarter AI await. Final thoughts: if these leaks are even halfway true, the Sony A7V is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mirrorless cameras of 2025. Major upgrades in resolution, video frame rates, AI autofocus, and overall performance make this one to watch. If you're hyped about the A7V, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest Sony camera news. Share this video with your fellow creators and Sony fans. It's time to get the hype train rolling. Stay tuned right here, because as soon as new leaks drop, I'll be covering them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.